the button, Dad. Hi. Me? This is boring. Bye, David. Bye. Whoa, I can't get in now.
You can from the back. Or actually, let me 1 second. Get up, back away.
Ah, slippery. Oh, I get it. Look at Dad working so hard.
There you go, Randy.
Okay. Well, there goes JP.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Tell us, Dad. Oh man, I think that's like some barb in there. Jeez. Ah!
I can't even reach you off with this thing.
You can't? Say hi to the camera, Andrew. Andrew, look at the camera. Hi. Yeah. Oh man, I hit the camera. So Andrew has a water gun.
What?
You have a water gun. There's my feet. Oh, I'm gonna be moving around. Oh, Daddy, we're leaving. Whoa. Dad, get in, get in. Uh-huh. I'm gonna try to push away from them. Bye, Dad. Well, watch out. Alright. Oh, I'm power. It's sort of hard to paddle since you're in like shallow. I keep putting my hand against the camera. It's weird. Like that? Well, my hands are shorter than yours. Yeah, since this thing is longer. Yes, it is, because your hands are longer than mine, and so you're perfect for that paddle. This is longer. This is a big paddle for me. Dad? Yeah. Nope. I don't know. Are they? Oh yeah, they are. Yeah. Andrew, do you like the LaCroix? It's like a carbonated drink. Pass me up one.
Oh, here's a Dr. Pepper. Anybody want that?
No, I'm trying to stay away from sodas. Can you pass me up one? Andrew, behind you. You stop when you don't want to paddle, Andrew. Haha, get it. Ooh, I did it! I made the whirlpool! That'd be interesting. Alright, Dad, we're going on the right. Let's go on the right. No, you're control, so go on the right. No, go on the right. Left? Oh, I want to go follow David. I know. I just like choosing paths. Dad, watch out, there's a rock.